Hey guys, welcome back. I just wanted to make a quick video on my latest cloth and paper purchase, and everything's pretty much in here. I just haven't taken it out, so I just kind of wanted to show you guys what I got and also how I plan on using them. So I did actually get a pocket-sized dashboard just in the B letter. I will make a separate video on how I'm going to use this entirely along with my pocket-sized PM agenda. So I'll save this for later. I'm not even going to open it. These I just got because I have the gold foiled ones and they're just so cute and I love using them that when I saw the black foiled ones, I was like, I gotta pick them up. So they all say different things. They're not the same as the gold ones. And then I have this one is the, I believe it's the Girl Gang one. Yeah, it says Girl Gang, Moolah, whatevs, in the nude. And I will make a separate video on this one as well because I have plans on how I'm going to style these. So that'll be put off to the side as well. Then I got the 3 dashboards in the personal size. Now this one, it will definitely be featured in my agenda for sure. Because, you know, this is my, I guess, everyday carry. I don't really go anywhere, so I don't have to carry it, but it's always with me, and I always have it. So, this is my main driver. It has everything. I should probably do, like, a like a flip through, like an updated, setup video for this because I do change up a lot of stuff and there's a lot of new things in here, so I'll make a different video on that entirely, and then these guys will be going in there and I will feature it. And then I have the freebie card, which is so pretty, and then I got another one of these and another one of these. I think between my sister and I think we keep getting the simplicity and the gratitude one over and over. I know there was like a manifest card, I think, too, but I have not yet received one of those. I think I'll put this one with this. And I already have one in my desk agenda, so this one can go in here. Then I just got the media content inserts for the personal size, and I just got these because I guess I want to be more on top of my content, I guess. So, or like, I just needed something to help me plan it out. I didn't really even take a good look at what these inserts look like before I purchased, but I did just want like a insert dedicated to making posts, so I'm hoping this will help me out with that. Then there's just like this little freebie card, and it's one of those thank you cards, and that's it. This is just the receipt invoice for my purchase. So this was just like a real quick video on the unboxing of my goodies, and then I think after this I will do a full-on flip through of my featuring the new purchases that I just got right now, so stay tuned for that. Thank you.